راحت. زين ما حد فيها. هذا الوادي شال السيارة. اي والله.
Several districts in Muscat Governorate, Batinah North, Batinah South, and Buraimi experienced varying amounts of rainfall today as the Sultanate of Oman was affected by a low-pressure trough. Heavy rain fell in the Bawshar and Seeb regions of Muscat Governorate, causing several wadis, valleys, to overflow. The Rustaq, Barka, Awabi, Al Musannah, Nakhal, and Wadi Al Maawil regions in Batinah South Governorate also experienced moderate to heavy rainfall. The rain in the regional centers and villages caused several wadis to overflow, including Wadi Al Hammam, Al Ajal, Al Subaycha, Wadi Bani Hani, Wadi Al Sahtan, Al Hajar, and Wadi Al Haimali. The Shinas region in Batinah North Governorate experienced varying amounts of rainfall, accompanied by occasional strong winds. The rainfall caused a drop in temperature, reduced horizontal visibility, and the formation of puddles on roads. The Civil Aviation Authority recorded persistent cumulonimbus cloud activity over parts of Batinah North and Dahira governorates, with varying levels of rainfall, in addition to the formation and movement of cumulonimbus clouds over parts of Batinah South Governorate, with the possibility of varying levels of rainfall. The UAE Embassy in Muscat issued a warning regarding heavy rain accompanied by strong winds due to a low-pressure system that is expected to affect most of the Sultanate's governorates. The embassy posted on its official account on the platform X. For your safety, please exercise caution as heavy rain accompanied by strong winds due to a low-pressure system is expected to affect most of the Sultanate's governorates. We also emphasize the need to adhere to safety instructions issued by the authorities. The UAE Embassy in Muscat has advised citizens and travelers to exercise caution as a low-pressure system brings heavy rain, hail, and strong winds across much of Oman. Authorities emphasize the importance of following all official safety instructions. The National Multi-Hazard Early Warning Center forecasts thunderstorms on Saturday with potential flash flooding in wadis and downdraft winds of 28 to 46 kilometers per hour. Areas likely to be affected include Muscat, Buraimi, North and South Batinah, Dahira, Dakhilia, and parts of North and South Sharqiya, with scattered rain expected in Musannah, Wusta, and Dhofar. Rain sweeps across Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other parts of the UAE as a low-pressure system moves through, the National Center of Meteorology, NCM, reports. Gusty winds are stirring dust and reducing visibility in some areas. NCM has issued a weather update for Saturday, warning of convective cloud formation over scattered areas of the UAE. Fresh to strong winds are expected, causing blowing dust and sand that could reduce horizontal visibility between 8 meters and 8 p.m. This morning, rainfall hit Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other parts of the UAE as a low-pressure system moved across the region. Sharjah experienced rainfall on Saturday morning with showers affecting key areas, including Al Majaz. The rain comes as part of unstable weather, moving across the UAE, bringing gusty winds and reduced visibility in some regions. Residents are urged to exercise caution on the roads and follow official safety guidelines. Videos shared by Storm_AE on Instagram show showers hitting cities, highlighting the combined impact of rain and dust stirred up by the gusty winds. The Ministry of Interior, MOI, has issued a warning amid current weather conditions affecting several areas across the UAE, with rain, gusty winds, and occasional thunder and lightning. Reduced visibility is expected in some regions. The Abu Dhabi police have urged motorists to exercise caution during the rainy conditions and to follow changing speed limits displayed on electronic information boards. Drivers are reminded to stay safe on the roads. Through a social media post, Dubai police have also urged to follow safety guidelines. The National Center of Meteorology, NCM, said clouds moving from the west will trigger convective systems over scattered areas throughout the week. Rainfall will range from light to heavy at times, with lightning, thunder, and a small chance of hail during strong cloud activity. Overall, the UAE remains under the influence of unsettled weather, with showers, gusty winds, and possible localized hail continuing through the week. UAE authorities have warned motorists and residents to exercise caution during rainy weather, stressing strict penalties for unsafe behavior near flood-prone areas and emergency response zones. The Ministry of Interior urged the public to avoid gathering near valleys, dams, and flood channels during periods of heavy rain, warning that such behavior carries a fine of 1,000 dirhams and 6 traffic black points.